Flying a drone you can't see sounds risky, right? And yet, BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, is one of the most important capabilities in modern drone operations. So how can a drone safely fly miles away from its operator without crashing into trees, buildings, or other aircraft? Let's break down how BVLOS flights actually work and what makes them possible. First things first, what does BVLOS really mean? In simple terms, BVLOS refers to operating a drone outside the pilot's direct line of sight, often many kilometers away. This unlocks missions that are larger, longer, and more efficient. But it also introduces serious challenges like how to avoid collisions and what happens if the GPS signal drops. To answer that, let's look at the core enablers of BVLOS flight. 1. Command and control links. A drone flying in BVLOS mode needs a stable, long-range communication system, typically via 4G or 5G networks, satellite, or dedicated radio links. This ensures the pilot can send commands and receive real-time response, even from far away. 2. Object detection. Since the pilot can't physically see obstacles, the drone must detect them itself. That's where sophisticated sensors come in, allowing the drone to identify and avoid other aircraft or objects in its path. 3. Redundant navigation. Relying only on GPS isn't enough. BVLOS drones often use multiple positioning systems to keep flying accurately even if one system fails. 4. Onboard intelligence. Many BVLOS drones are semi-autonomous or even fully autonomous. That means they can plan routes, monitor surroundings, and react to unexpected events without needing second-by-second instructions. Now, why go through all this effort? Because BVLOS turns drones from short-range tools into true operational assets. With BVLOS, you can cover hundreds of hectares in one mission, monitor borders or coastlines with fewer takeoffs, inspect long power lines or pipelines without human intervention, and reach dangerous or inaccessible areas while keeping crews safe. For industries like public safety, environmental monitoring, energy, and defense, BVLOS is what makes drones truly scalable. But here's the catch. BVLOS is also heavily regulated. In most countries, you need authorization from aviation authorities and strict risk mitigation plans to fly BVLOS legally. BVLOS is the future, but it's not a simple switch. It requires the right drone, the right tech, and the right strategy. For more insights into drone technology and innovation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.